What if you wish to take a break from your online business? Maybe you want to go on a holiday or any other trip or for any personal reason. What are the steps that you need to take in order to ensure that you have deactivated your account? If you are looking for the answer to this question, this video is for you. Welcome to Katosh Tubes, I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will explain the step-by-step process in which you can deactivate your account both on Amazon and Flipkart platform. Before I start the video, if you are new to the channel, do remember to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for weekly notification. And if you haven't watched my previous videos on Marketplace Masterclass, you can always click on the link above or in the description and read my articles on marketplaces which are there in the description of the video and educate yourself. So let's get started with today's video. Inside the Amazon Seller Central panel, first I will explain how to deactivate account on this panel, followed by Flipkart Seller panel. So in front of me you can see a Manage Inventory tab. It has a lot of options here. All these are product listings. So what common practice that a seller uses to deactivate his account is he clicks on the individual listings or select all the listings and choose this option which is inactive. So this is also one of the way, but the recommended way is what I am about to show you. So all you need to do is go to this setting tab which is on the top right. Let me show you this one, and go to the account info. Click on account info. And in this option you need to click the going on holidays. Click on this tab, and here you can see two options. One is active, one is inactive. So if you are operational on Amazon, you will see the active option, and if you wish to deactivate your account, maybe go on a vacation or take a break, all you need to do is just press inactive. Press the inactive button and click save. Once this step has been completed, your account will get deactivated immediately. So that's a very easy step when it comes to Amazon. Now let me take you to the Flipkart panel. So this is the Flipkart panel in front of me, and here you can see listing options. There is the product listings right here, and again either you can just select all the listing and deactivate it, but there is a better way, and that is going to the top right hand corner which is here. Click on the manage profile button, and once you click it you will see plenty of options: account manager, bank details, business detail, etc. You need to go to this calendar option which is this one and click view. So it has three options: vacation plan, working hours, weekly off. Click on vacation plan to add a holiday. So it has from date, to date, reason and comment. So you need to enter from and to date, which is mandatory. That will inform Flipkart that you won't be active on these days. That is for temporary deactivation. So once you enter the date, let's say this, choose any reason, let's say festival, and you can put a comment or you can leave it, and click on save. So once you click on save, you can see all the holidays are showing up here, which means on these particular days you won't be operational on Flipkart. Your listing won't be live. So it's a temporary deactivation process. Now if you wish to close your account permanently, there is a different step. You need to go to this three dot options and go to this contact seller support. Click on it, and once you click on it you need to go to this account related tab here, and in that you can go to this holiday related queries. Again it has a default list of FAQs. Choose any one of it, choose it and click on this no create seller support ticket. Once you click on it, here you can change the subject line. Let's say I want to close my account permanently. Okay, Make sure this to be your subject line, enter description, enter a callback number and create a ticket. Once you do it, the seller support team will respond back with the next step details. And again, if you want to access more material about Flipkart Seller Panel, Amazon Seller Panel or Alibaba Seller Panel, you can visit my website, which is katoztubes.com, and in that you can go to marketplace section, and once you click on the marketplace section, you get all the three marketplaces, Alibaba, Flipkart and Amazon, at one place. You can access any one of them and get the post in one tab. So that's all about the video. That's how you do it. Do like the video if you love it, and do remember to watch the video shared on the screen. I see you in the next video with a new video and new content. Till then, take care and have a good day.